So I'm here to clear up one of the most confusing terms in plastic surgery. You ready for it? Mommy makeover. You hear this term all the time. I used it, the media uses it, other plastic surgeons use it, but what does it mean? Well, the short answer is it doesn't really mean anything. It's not a specific procedure. It's just a term that we use to describe a single operation that combines multiple procedures designed to restore your body to the pre-pregnancy state. So that's a whole bunch of word salad. It basically means we're going to do a bunch of different surgeries at the same time and make you look better. The thing about a mommy makeover is you don't have to be a mommy. You can be a grandma, you could be a daughter, you can even be a dad. Everybody's mommy makeover is different because it's specifically designed to do what you want it to do. So if you come in and you're complaining of your belly, maybe your mommy makeover includes a tummy tuck. Maybe you just have a little bit of extra fat and your mommy makeover will include liposuction. Or maybe you want your breast to be up and lifted so you get a breast lift. And when we combine all these things into a single operation, that's where we come up with the term mommy makeover. Mommy makeovers have become really popular lately. Partly it's because it's a cool term and people like to say it. But the main reason is that technology has changed enough to now allow us to do multiple procedures in a single operation and do it safely. Remember, safety is the key. So as long as you are healthy and your multiple procedures aren't going to take too long, we can combine things into a single operation. What's great about that is it gives you one single recovery, and it probably saves you a few bucks too, because normally when you combine procedures into a single operation, things are cheaper than doing it individually, and that's usually because you're able to save money on anesthesia, the facility fee, the surgeon fee is sometimes a little bit lower, so doing procedures together is certainly convenient and cost effective. Now remember, when choosing to have a mommy makeover, make sure your board certified plastic surgeon is experienced in all those procedures. So if you're looking to combine a breast surgery with a tummy tuck with a BBL, make sure that you pick a doctor who's really good at breast surgery, tummy tucks, and BBLs. Since everybody specializes, one person may not be the best at all those different procedures. So you want to make sure if you're using one surgeon to combine those things, you're going to get the best possible results. You also want to make sure that your surgeon is good at combining these procedures into a single operation. So just because your surgeon may be really good at those individual surgeries, it doesn't necessarily mean that he or she is good at doing them all at the same time. When you combine things into one operation, things are a little bit different. You have to figure out what procedure you do first because the order of things really matters. If I do something with the tummy and it pulls things down, that's going to slightly change the way the breasts look. So I have to keep that in mind when I'm doing the breast surgery. So maybe you want to do the breast surgery first, then the tummy tuck, and the order of things matters. You also want to make sure that your surgeon is doing your surgery in a place that's safe for you. When we combine surgeries together, it makes the surgery longer. Longer surgeries mean slightly elevated risks if things aren't done appropriately. So you want to make sure you're having this done in a hospital setting or a certified accredited ambulatory surgery setting like this operating room. You want to make sure that you have a board certified anesthesiologist monitoring you and taking care of you the whole time. And you want to make sure that there's an appropriate recovery room with registered nurses so that your recovery can go smooth and we can minimize your risks. When it comes to the recovery from a mommy makeover, obviously it's going to depend on what procedures you had done. If you have a bunch of small procedures, then your recovery is going to be shorter than if you have a bunch of more serious or longer procedures done together. So hopefully that explains this term, mommy makeover, that's been confusing for most people. And like I said, it's just combining a bunch of different procedures into a single operation, and your mommy makeover is going to be different than someone else's mommy makeover or different than your cousin or your sister or your friend, because your mommy makeover will be designed specifically by your surgeon in order to address the specific things that you're concerned about. If you're interested in finding out about a mommy makeover and whether it's right for you, go visit a board certified plastic surgeon, talk to them about what bothers you, and they should be able to give you an idea of whether or not this is something that can be done all in one operation. I'm Dr. Matthew Schulman, board certified plastic surgeon. Hopefully this video helped you, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and share, and check out the other videos on my YouTube channel.